Okay, this is number 77 on page 60. You have 2x to the 5/3 plus 64 equals 0, and you're trying to find all the real solutions of the equation. So first thing, you have to isolate the variables. So subtract 64 from both sides, and you get 2x to the 5/3 equals negative 64. Then divide both sides by 2. So you get x to the 5/3 equals negative 32. Then you want to change the 5/3, the rational exponent, into a radical. So the bottom right here becomes the root, the top becomes the power. So you have the cube root of x to the 5th equals negative 32. Then you just want to work backwards and get the x by itself. So if you're taking the cube root, you want to cube both sides. So cubed, x to the 5th equals negative 32 cubed. And I don't want to multiply that out because I don't know that one. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the 5th root first because I know the 5th root of 32. So I'll take the 5th root first and then I'll cube the answer. So if you're taking the 5th root and then the 5th root, so you get x on the left, and then the 5th root of negative 32 is negative 2. You're still cubing it, okay? So that works because if we come over here, the 5th root of negative 32 times negative 32 times negative 32, okay? So if you were doing that, this is 2 to the 5th, right? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So you'd have one group of 5 there, and then the same here and the same here. So you could do the 5th root first, or you could do the cubing first. Usually it's easier to get smaller rather than bigger if you can. So I did the 5th root of negative 32, got 2, negative 2, and then cubed the whole thing. So then your answer, negative 2 cubed, is just negative 8, and so that is your answer for that one.